Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and I have a very powerful buy-sell strategy to show you today. And remember, if you're a beginner, having a trade manager to automatically take care of challenges like managing lot sizes and keeping you from overtrading and losing money can be a huge bonus for you. And we have just what you need with our trade management software called Market Keys. And also, if you're new and just don't know what to trade or when to trade, we have the perfect solution for you with our uGenesys Trend software, which gives you daily alerts for the most profitable trading opportunities. To learn more about these two products and their amazing benefits, you can click on the link in the description. This strategy can be used with any chart or time frame. So let's start off with using a USD JPY chart with a 15-minute time frame. So let's search for our first indicator. So we'll go to the indicator section and type in Super Trend, no spaces. And this is the one here we want by Kiwang Ozbilji. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. And we can see it has 36,087 users so far. Let's go ahead and add it to our chart. So this is what it looks like when you add it to the chart, but we're only interested in the buy and sell signal. So let's go ahead and make some changes. Let's go to settings and then style. And we're going to uncheck all of these boxes here and leave only the buy and sell boxes checked. Okay, let's go down and uncheck all of these boxes. And we can leave these two right here as well, alright? And then hit OK. And now let's go and search for our second indicator. So we're going to type in TRAMA. And then we'll see our indicator here called Trend Regularity Adaptive Moving Average. And just to make it more visible, let's go ahead and change the color for the trauma line. So we'll go to settings and then style, and then we'll change this color here to yellow. Okay, there we go, guys. So the rules are pretty simple to use these indicators. So with our trauma line, whenever you see the market is above the trauma line here, then we know that we're in an uptrend, and that's where we can take our buy positions. And if you see the market going below the line, then that indicates a downtrend, so we'll enter into sell positions at that time. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our chart now. So right here we can see where the market is above the trauma line, and we have a buy signal here, and you can see the market going all the way up here. So this looks like it would be a very profitable buy position here. Okay, also right here we can see the market going down, and it's below the trauma line, and we've got a sell signal right here, guys. This is like a very good sell signal here. And if you look right here again, our market is in an uptrend above the trauma line, and we've got a buy signal here. Look at this, guys. This looks very profitable right here. And here we've got another nice sell signal with our market going down below the trauma line, and we have a sell signal here from our super trend indicator. Okay, so this is a very good signal right here, guys. So you can check out this indicator, guys, and hopefully get some very profitable trades from it. Okay, so thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.